So if we have some drill set, we can actually import other things as well, but I'll just demonstrate the ability to actually import more drilling data. So if you have another drill campaign, let's take the M data as well, which is very small, go through the same step, importing this one. We'll take this same sort of data. So again, we'll take the geology data here, select our categories, and press finish. You see that they actually end up as different sets at the top. So it's automatically labeled _1 because it has the same name for the file. This way you can actually look at different drilling campaigns separately within the same project. The other thing that we wanted to do is just import some topography data, so some point data, XYZ. So we have this Marvin Topo large CSV file. It just has XYZ in it, automatically recognized. We press finish, and here you have the option to skip every nth point, which is only useful if you have large point cloud type files. Press OK. We have topography in the same file as well, which you can start using for modeling later.